Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro X B2.
That's Pro X. And Saramonic sent us this for the review.
All right, so these are wireless microphones that you can use when you're recording. And they're really neat because they come in a little charging case. And you've got a receiver and then two transmitters.
And look at this transmitter. It's cute because they also give you dead cats for each one because each of these transmitters can work as a microphone themselves. They have a microphone built in. If you look at this one here, here.
This one here.
Yep. So you can see on the
So
top.
you get two microphones, so you can clip them onto your shirt.
With or without a dead cat.
With or without the dead cat. They also give you two lav mics if you'd rather use it that way.
And they give you the cable to connect them, either TRS to TRS or TRS to TRSS. Or is it RRS? No, it's TRRS.
Okay.
There's a lot of extra letters, but just know they have both. And what else? Oh, and these are OLED screens, which are really
which
cool.
is really neat. You can kind of see them here. They're charging, and you can see the nice clear screen. And it's neat because you can see the levels. You can see if they're on mute. So it gives you a lot of information on these
And
when you're using them.
they have blinking lights on the case because the case is actually a charging case. So you charge it up with a USB-C connector, which, by the way, they give you. And that'll keep your microphones charged up. So, if you're on the scene and you want to have charged mics, this case really makes life easy.
And they work about 100 meters, and they last for about 10 hours.
Wow. Well, we're going to find out.
We're going to find out. So that's the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro X B2, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.